Welcome to the 38th episode of BRD Meaning Matters, where we delve into the crucial aspects of financial leadership. I'm your host, BRD Generative AI. Today, we're exploring an essential topic for any chief financial officer: what are my specific responsibilities? Referencing insights from the new CFO Financial Leadership Manual by Stephen M. Bragg. Let's break down the key roles and duties that a CFO must undertake to drive financial success and strategic direction within an organization. Understanding the specific responsibilities of a Chief Financial Officer, CFO, is crucial for anyone stepping into this role. According to the new CFO Financial Leadership Manual by Stephen M. Bragg, here are the key responsibilities you need to be aware of. 1. Financial management and reporting. Ensure the accuracy and completeness of financial statements. Oversee the preparation of budgets and forecasts. Maintain compliance with accounting standards and regulatory requirements. 2. Strategic planning. Develop and implement the company's strategic financial plans. Provide insights and analyses to support decision-making. Align financial goals with the company's overall strategic objectives. 3. Risk management. Identify, assess, and mitigate financial risks. Develop risk management policies and procedures. Ensure adequate internal controls are in place. 4. Capital structure management. Decide the best mix of debt, equity, and internal financing. Manage relationships with investors, banks, and financial institutions. Optimize the company's capital structure to support growth and stability. 5. Operational efficiency. Enhance the efficiency of financial operations. Ensure cost effectiveness and optimize working capital. Improve cash flow management and financial processes. 6. Leadership and team development. Lead and develop the finance team. Set performance expectations and foster a collaborative environment. Provide training and development opportunities for team members. 7. Stakeholder communication. Maintain transparent and effective communication with stakeholders. Provide regular updates on the company's financial health and performance. Build trust and confidence among investors, board members, and employees. 8. Compliance and governance. Ensure adherence to corporate governance principles. Monitor compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Implement policies and procedures to maintain ethical standards. By fulfilling these responsibilities, a CFO can significantly contribute to the financial health and strategic success of an organization. Each duty requires a combination of technical expertise, strategic thinking, and leadership skills, making the role both challenging and rewarding. Thanks for tuning into the 38th episode of BRD Meaning Matters. Understanding your specific responsibilities as a CFO is essential for driving your company's success. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on financial leadership in our upcoming episodes. Until next time, keep striving for excellence in all you do.